Welcome to the video on how to pack and process your orders on Meesho. Log into the Meesho app using your supplier mobile number and OTP. To access the supplier panel, click on Account on the bottom right. Once done, you will see Go to Supplier Hub on top. Tap on Proceed next to it and you can access the supplier panel accordingly. To start receiving orders on Meesho, it is advised you upload 5 to 7 high-quality catalogs with at least 3 to 4 products in each catalog. Ensure that you've sufficient inventory for all products at all times. To know more about how to sell on Meesho, watch this video. Processing orders on Meesho is really simple. This is how it is done. 1. You can check all new orders in the Orders section under the Pending tab on your Meesho supplier panel. 2. Click on Accept Order and it moves to the Ready to Ship tab. 3. Pack your orders and keep them ready for shipping. 4. Now, simply download the shipping label and paste it on the package. Your order is ready to be picked up and a shipping partner is notified. 5. The shipping partner will visit your location within 1 day for pickup and will deliver your product safely to the customer. 6. Payment collected via COD or online mode will be credited directly to your bank account. Now, let's go through each step one by one in more detail. Pending tab. All your new orders are shown in the Pending tab of the Orders section. Here, you can see the details regarding the order ID, the expected dispatch time, and a button that will allow you to accept orders. You can also use filters easily to prioritize and accept specific orders first, as per your preference. Filters are very helpful when you have a lot of orders. For instance, you can check Breached to see all the orders whose expected dispatch date has already passed. Or you can check Breaching Soon to see which orders have to be dispatched at the earliest. Ensure to dispatch an order before the date mentioned to Customer Expected Dispatch Date in the order details. This is also mentioned in the Service Legal Agreement (SLA), which you have agreed to while registering as a Meesho supplier. The system automatically cancels orders on the second day after the expected dispatch date. You can use the SLA Breaching Soon filter for a quick view of the orders that need to be dispatched soon. If you don't want to accept the order, you can cancel it by clicking on Cancel. Meesho automatically cancels an order on the second day from the expected dispatch date for that order. To process the order, click on Accept Item and the order will automatically move to the Ready to Ship tab. Ready to Ship. All the accepted orders are shown in this section. You now have to get the order ready and packed. Make sure that the packaging material and adhesive tape that you choose have no branded content on it. Also, make sure that the material is not transparent and is strong and durable enough for shipping. Please note, if a customer places multiple orders with the same shipping address, then all the orders for that address should be packaged in a single unit. Remember, you cannot mention MRP anywhere on the product or the packaging by yourself. If you mention it, you will be charged INR 1000. You are charged similarly if you mention the name of the brand on the package or on the tape. Mentioning Meesho's name anywhere on the packaging will incur a charge of INR 5000. So, we urge you to avoid these mistakes for a charge-free selling experience. Also note, if the product received by the customer is not similar to the catalog mentioned on Meesho, then the same catalog will be deactivated from the supplier account. And if more than 60% of your catalog are deactivated or receive a rating lower than 3.5 from the customers, then your account will be deactivated. So make sure that you pack and ship the right products to your customers. There is a label button for each order. Clicking on this button will download the shipping label and invoice, which need to be pasted on the package for tracking purposes. Suppliers can either download labels one by one or in bulk by selecting multiple orders. Suppliers can also use filters such as SKU or DAT to prioritize which labels to download first as per their preference. Do note, even though there are filters, all orders are still to be dispatched within DAT. If you download the label before 11 AM, the pickup will be scheduled for the same day. Otherwise, the pickup will be scheduled for the next day. The name of the delivery service assigned to pick up your order will be shown in your order details as soon as you download the label. Once downloaded, print the label and then proceed to paste it on the package. When you are pasting the label, simply fold the customer invoice inside and leave the tracking barcode along with the shipping address of the label visible on top. Make sure to put the correct shipping labels on each package. If you mismatch the product label and the product, the customer will return the product and you'll have to face a reverse shipping charge for the return. Additionally, your catalog for which a product mismatch is found will be removed from your account. Remember, contacting a customer directly is strictly prohibited with a charge of Rs 5,000. In case you face an error while downloading the label or the pickup agent doesn't arrive on time, you can raise a ticket on the support panel. You can do this by clicking on Orders and Delivery and then clicking on Label is not getting generated for my order. Once done, go to your Ready to Ship tab and click on the checkbox here to download the order manifest. We encourage you to print 2 copies of the manifest and get them signed by the delivery partner at the time of pickup. Give him a copy and keep the other with you. A signed order manifest is a proof of order pickup. It is for your own record keeping as well as for solving disputes in case of delay in reflecting the latest order updates. When the shipping partner scans and picks up your product for shipping, your order will automatically be moved to the Shipped tab. If it doesn't move, we request you to wait for 4 to 5 hours post the pickup time. You can refresh and check the supplier panel. If the status doesn't change, then you can go to the Support tab on the admin panel. Go to Orders and Delivery and then click on My order is picked up but still in Ready to Ship tab. You can then raise a ticket there and get our assistance. We advise you to only dispatch orders using our shipping services. If you are found using other shipping services, your account will be suspended for 15 days on the first strike. A second strike will result in a 30-day suspension and a third will result in a permanent ban. Shipped. Your most recent orders that are currently in transit or have been shipped appear in the Shipped tab. Do note, it may take a few hours for shipped orders to appear here. It is generally updated at night. Payment collected for your product will reach directly to your account in 7 days of order delivery. You can check all your payment-related updates in the Payment section in your Supplier admin panel. If you think that delivery, return or payment submissions are taking longer than usual, then we recommend raising a ticket on the Support tab with the relevant issue and details. And we will resolve your issue at the earliest. Cancelled. Orders which are cancelled by the customer or by you will appear here. You can cancel an order by clicking on the Cancel Order button. Returns. If a customer is not satisfied with your product, he can initiate a return within 7 days of receiving the order. Shipping charges are applicable in case of a return. You can check the return shipping charges in your product details. If the customer returns a faulty or wrong product to you, then you can raise a ticket to us within 10 days of receiving the return using the Support tab in the admin panel. Send us the order ID, reverse AWB number and photos and videos of the returned product. And we will look into the case and refund your amount if your request is proved valid. Remember, always take an unpacking video for all your returned products. If you are unable to produce an unpacking video in case of a faulty return, then we won't be able to process your request. RTO – Return to Origin. When delivering the product, the shipping partner tries a maximum of 3 times to reach the customer. If the customer fails to accept the product will be returned back to you. You can check all your RTO orders in the Return or RTO tab. Meesho won't charge any reverse shipping charges in case of an RTO. On hold. Sometimes when the customer's address is not serviceable by the shipping partner due to unforeseen reasons, your order will show up under this tab. All the orders appearing in the tab are placed only once the customer is notified about a late delivery and has shared a consent for the same. As soon as the buyer's area gets serviceable, orders under this tab are automatically moved to the Pending tab. No amount of late dispatch is charged to the supplier as long as the order is under the On Hold tab, no matter how long it takes. If you are still charged an amount, we request you to raise a ticket on the Support tab. Go to Payments and Penalties and then click on I have an issue with a penalty for an order. So, that was all about packaging and processing orders on Meesho. For any other assistance or query, you can reach out to us and we'll be here to help you succeed in your journey on Meesho. Happy selling! If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel